In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to post on multiple social platforms all at once. If you're a content creator, founder, or manage social media for your business, you probably know how much time it takes to switch between apps and platforms just to post the same thing. The tool I'm going to walk you through today is called PostBridge. It's one of the most intuitive schedulers I've tried, and yes, it's going to save you a lot of time. It's super user-friendly and easy to use, and today I'm going to walk you through step by step, so feel free to follow along. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to post faster on social media using this tool. So let's jump right in. Alright, so to get started, head over to postbridge.com or just click the link below to go straight to the website. It's super easy to sign up, just click on try it for free and register with Google or your email. You will get a 7-day free trial, which is more than enough to see if PostBridge fits your workflow. Right after that, you will go through a short onboarding process where you can connect up to 5 social accounts you want to post to. No worries, once you're inside the dashboard, you can actually connect up to 15 accounts and you will be able to post unlimited content. And if you chose the Pro plan, you can connect an unlimited number of accounts. Alright, I already connected mine. You can see your connected account by going to the left menu and under configuration, click on connections. And here are the connected accounts. So a few quick notes on connecting your accounts. To connect Instagram account, make sure your profile is set to a business or creator account. PostBridge walks you through that if needed. It's super simple, so don't worry at all. With LinkedIn, it automatically connects your personal profile and any company page you manage. You can remove the ones you don't want by clicking the X here. And for TikTok, your account needs to be a business or creator account as well, and it must be at least 48 hours old. So it literally took me 5 minutes to get everything connected, and now we're ready to post something. All right. So now let me show you how I post a video across all these platforms. I will click on Create Post. Then I can choose if I want to upload a text post, an image post, or a video. You can also see the platforms available based on the post type you chose. So let's pick a video post because I have a video I want to upload. Then I will see all the platforms connected to my account up here, and I can click on the ones I want to upload the post to. As you see, if I want to post to YouTube as well, I will click on that. I can click and just disable TikTok, for example, if I don't want to post the video to TikTok as well. All right. You will notice that I cannot select both my LinkedIn company page and my personal page at the same time. So just so you know, only one LinkedIn profile can be selected at a time. But I can choose all the rest of the platforms to post simultaneously. You can also check this remember box if you want the platform to remember your selection for future posts. That way it automatically selects the same platforms each time. Then I just need to click here or drag and drop to upload the video from my computer. Just a heads up, these are the accepted formats and aspect ratio. The video need to be at least 3 seconds and maximum of 5 minutes. It's probably due to platform limitation, which makes sense. I'll hit close and let me just drop in my video just like that. Then I will see a preview of the video right here. Let me just pause this for a second. If I want, I can change it. I can just click on replace media and upload different video. And I can set a cover image by clicking here and just play with this until I love the thumbnail, and I will just click set as cover, and then I will have a cover image to this video. You can even import videos from Senja and Google Drive if you keep your files right there. All right. Now let's move on to the main caption. If I write a caption here, it will be used for all platforms. Let me just paste in my caption, just like that. I will just remove these. Okay, I have a maximum of 3000 characters here, but if I scroll down and click on platform captions, I can actually edit each caption separately for each platform. For example, I can write a custom caption for YouTube. Just click on edit right here, and let me just bring the caption I've created for YouTube. I'll just paste it in, just like that. And I can also change the caption for LinkedIn if I want it to be different. Let me just bring the LinkedIn post text and just paste it here. All right, you can also see your past captions from previous posts you've uploaded, which is super useful if you usually reuse your content captions. So it will be very easy to find just through here. Now, under processing, you can toggle this on and off depending on whether you want the platform to optimize the video for you. I recommend keeping it on because it will automatically adjust the file size and format based on the platform you're uploading to. It will generate thumbnails and make sure everything works smoothly. If you choose to toggle this off, your video will be uploaded as is, and some platforms may reject incompatible formats or large file size, so just so you know. I will put it back. And if you're uploading to YouTube as well, you can also write a title for your video in addition to the caption. Just a note, if you leave this title blank, PostBridge will take the first 100 characters from your description and use it as the title. But you can totally add a custom one if you prefer, so I just pasted in my YouTube title for this video. Okay, I'm also posting on Pinterest, and honestly, I really appreciate how they thought of this. You can select which board the video will be pinned to. I will choose Canva design, and I can also tick this checkbox if I wanted to remember the board for this account. I also can add a Pinterest title. Let me add the title right here, and I can add a link, and this link will be used when someone clicks the pin. So I usually link to my YouTube channel. I just entered this previously, and because this one is already checked, it will remember the link to all the future posts I will create for Pinterest. All right, and last one here is TikTok configuration. You can choose to send the post as draft, so you can edit and publish it directly inside TikTok instead of publishing immediately. You can mark the content as AI generated if that applies to your video. You can also set privacy settings, whether to allow comments, mute, and stitch. And if you're doing a paid partnership or promoting your own brand, you can toggle those settings on so it's automatically marked inside the video without having to open TikTok and edit it manually. All right, once everything ready, just click post now and your video will be uploaded to all the platforms you selected. It's seriously so quick and it saves so much time compared to posting manually. It's kind of insane. And of course, you can also schedule your post for later. Just toggle on the schedule option, pick a date and a time, and you're basically good to go. You can hover over this little eye icon to see what time zone the post will go live in. It's super useful, and I love that they chose to put it here. Now I can see the exact time my post will be live on different time zones. That's so cool. And if you're not quite ready, you can always click on Save to Drafts and come back to this post later. But I'm ready, so I will just toggle off the schedule post and let's post this now to all the accounts I chose here. Let's click on Post Now. All right, now it says that it can take up to 10 minutes to show on all platforms. I can check the status by clicking here or create another post while I'm waiting. So let me just click on check status. Let's see what I can see if I click on that. All right, maybe it's too early, so I will pause the video and I will come back the second it's uploaded. All right, yes, all the videos are now live on the platforms I selected. That's great. I can click on this post and it will take me to a page with links to each version of the post on every platform. I can click on each link to see the video directly on the platform and see if I like how it turned out. It looks great. Let me come back. I can also see the main captions that were used, and if I want to create another post, I can just click on Create New Post here on top and start again and upload another video, for example. Now let's go over all these options under Posts here on the left menu. So you will see a calendar view if you click on Calendar, and you will see all the posts you scheduled and all the posts you've already published here in the calendar. You can also click on the plus sign here on a specific date if you want to create a post for this date. Right now, I haven't scheduled anything for the future, so the calendar looks empty, but the moment I do, it will show up right here. If I click on All here on the left menu, I will see every post in my dashboard, whether it's scheduled, published, or saved as a draft. I can also filter the post using these drop downs. So for example, if I want to see only posts that uploaded to my Instagram account, I can click on that and then it will filter the post right here. If I go to scheduled, I will see all the upcoming posts I scheduled. If I click on post, it will show me all the ones that were already published, like the one I've done today. And drafts will show me the post I saved to work on later, like I showed you the option earlier. All right, last thing for this video, but it's super useful one. On the left menu under Workspaces, you will see that I'm currently in my main workspace. If I click on this little arrow, I can actually create a new workspace. This is perfect, for example, if you manage social media for more than one brand or company and want to keep everything separate. So let's say the main workspace is for all of my accounts, but now I want to also manage my husband's accounts here. Let's create a new workspace. I'll name it Podstar and choose an icon and click Create. And now I've got a second workspace added. Let me just change from main to Podstar workspace, just like this. And now under configuration, if I click on connections, I can connect different social accounts that belong specifically to that brand. So if I want to post only for Podstar, I just switch the workspaces up here and I'll only see the accounts and posts related to that one. You can also click on Manage Workspaces to see a list of all your workspaces here. You will see the main workspace with all my original accounts, And next to that, the Podstar workspace right here. Right now, I don't have any account connected, but if I will connect accounts, I will see a list of the connected accounts right here. If you're no longer using it and you want to delete it, you can just click on delete workspace just like this. And then I will be with only the main workspace. Let me just return to it just like this. And that's it. If you want to make your social media process easier and faster, I really encourage you to click the link in the description and give PostBridge a try. It's super convenient, the interface is super user-friendly, and it keeps everything in one place. Honestly, it makes it so much easier to stay consistent. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.